Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day in the markets. Today we have 10 a.m. news. As you guys can see here. Oh, that's my fault. 10 a.m. news. So yeah, let's make some bread. Hey, what's up, Ian? Happy to see you here, bro. I feel like this music might be a little too loud, right? This is probably better. All right. So I already marked out the charts here a little bit, but we also have SMT here at the lows. I just hope that it doesn't really hold, right? I'm bearish today, but I do want to see a bullish move first. That Tuesday weekly manipulation, right? Like I do want to see some sort of bullish move. I do not think that the market is bullish right now. So yeah, and also I think I would just much rather take a short in this action than a long. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we have SMT here at the highs, right? We also have SMT here at the lows that I didn't mark because it's the wrong one. Because simply I don't want to be affected by it too much. If this low here, when it gets taken, there's an SMT, then I'll probably be affected by it. But other than that, this just looks like relative equal lows to me, not an SMT. And I mean, it is an SMT, right? Don't get it wrong, but I still think we could go. We have this good odds that we go here. If we look at this last price leg that we hit, right, we filled the new week opening gap that was here, right, and also we hit EQ, right, which is just really good, right? This is pretty much what we want out of a retracement. Could go back to OTE, but see, ES went to OTE, closed almost perfectly here, closed pretty perfectly there. Like, this stuff isn't random, guys. And then closed above and instantly went back below it. So all that just to say, I don't think this is a bullish spark or whatever. I think this is a retracement of a big move that we've had. And like, if you look here at this move, right, it didn't even tap EQ and it retraced. If you go here, it did, right? And this is the true low actually. So it went down, hit a low, EQ, back down. Right, and you can do the same thing with this high here. And this low, probably didn't tap EQ anywhere, so it's not necessary, but it is a good confluence to add. So yeah, and honestly, I would kind of like to see the SND play out on ES, not on NQ, to create another SMT. Right. Let's say ES. This one goes all the way up to like hits this, chills a bit back here, and then goes like here. That would be perfect. That would be ideal right there. Probably not gonna happen though. This is me dreaming. I just stepped out of the shower. My hair's all wet and annoying on my forehead. Sorry about that, guys. Market opens in 10 minutes. We'll see what we get. Till then, we'll just relax, chill. Accounts up 60% so far. Not bad profits. Hopefully we can get a dub today. If we don't, it's fine. If we were to look at weekly profiles, right? And this was the Monday accumulation. Oh, sorry about that. So Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation, Wednesday distribution, Thursday whatever, Friday we come back. End the week around here. Right, so what I would really love to see is like this, and then whatever, and then Wednesday hits, and or Tuesday ends like here, and then Wednesday goes like this, and then Thursday goes like this, and then Friday goes like this. Right? This is the weekly profile that we are looking for. So, wait, let me, okay. So, here we have Monday. Here we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, right? This is the week that I'm kinda hoping to get. And if we do get it, that's great. If we don't, that's fine too. I'll adapt to it, but this is definitely the week that I'm expecting right here. So my biases for all the days are right here, already predetermined. Now obviously you have to look at the chart and decide if those biases are right and you want to stick to them, but so far so good. So far we're here on the chart. So I want to see this move here, and like this, and then maybe an SMT here, like ES is like this, and Q is like this, and then down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Right? Hello? Okay. Okay. Back on the 15. 5 minutes till the market open. I hope market open sends us up, and then news sends us down. If market open sends us down, I'm gonna be sad. Because I'll be honest, if market open sends us down, I'm going to be not super confident on the draw. I will probably want to take a short anyways, but I'll be very sad about it. Best case scenario is we're gonna hit this FVG here and get a CISD, or this one here. It's goddamn cold in my house right now. Let me just connect to my broker very quickly. Alright. Hello, kitty. Good kitty. Come here. Yep, it's a good one. she's a good one. So if you guys have any questions, don't be shy. And other than that, we just wait for market open here. This is exactly what I said had happened yesterday, by the way. Right? We took this, ended up leaving the charts around here, and I was like, we probably go up and take the new week opening gap. That's where I had my last TP, and just like clockwork, it did. I should have maybe stayed on the chart a little bit more, but whatever. I wasn't like 100% confident in the draw for Monday. We could have taken this Tuesday and just like max pained over here. I saw a lot of traders that I like getting wrecked this Monday. Yes, it's in the FVG, which is decent, but I do want NQ to bounce off of this. Is there a 5? That's more like this 5 up here or down here. Two minutes and a half till market open. Yeah. So these two here are correlated assets, is what they're called. So they move pretty much in the exact same way, right? But when there's a differentiation between the two, like this high here was taken on NQ, not on ES, we call that an SMT, which is called smart money technique, and pretty much it's really good to identify manipulation, is what it is. And once we manipulate, after that we distribute, right? So yeah, I like it. There's also for forex, there's Euro USD and GBP USD that are correlated. US 30 is also slightly correlated with these two, but not as much as these two. But yeah, a lot of ICT traders are gonna have both ES and NQ open at the same time. Yeah, the YouTube Shorts are the same as my TikToks, honestly. I'm pretty sure I have it on YouTube Shorts too. Probably gonna try to do the draw on liquidity video today if I have time. And yeah. Oh, market opened and it went straight down. Mother trucker. Yeah, yeah, that's what I mean. I have his prop firm and stuff. I don't know about him, but the rest of a lot of these trading influencers are all faking, lying stuff. I could show you guys right now that I'm on live and stuff. I just don't know if I can open this and like you guys see my account number is a big deal, but I'm on FP Market, so I don't think you can even open a demo on FP Market on TradingView. So yeah, I can show you guys a website too. Um, I can show everything. I don't care. My two first funded or accounts passed are on my wall. You guys cannot like they're there. I turned the camera yesterday to show them. I can show them again. There's a lot more of that came from. Those are just the first two, cause my first at Apex and my first at Top Step. That's actually this certificate that I have there for Apex. The first account I ever passed on Apex. The first account I ever passed was Top Step. Is for 250K funded, and it's the only 250K funded I've ever had. Like what I'm trying to say is, after that 250K funded, I blew it a few months after passing it. I'm pretty sure like a month or two, and I had gotten two payouts from it, which is pretty good. But and then I blew it, and then yeah, I decided to go for 150Ks because the thing about Apex is that you pay for the account and then you pay for the activation fee and then there's a bunch of rules, but I find that the drawdown rules and the minimum profit rules are a lot harder to follow on 250Ks versus 50Ks. Like I feel like 50Ks are just more tailored towards buying them and then getting payouts. I feel like it's easier. That's why most people buy like 20 50K accounts or 10 50K accounts and copy trades them instead of buying 3 or 4 150K accounts, right? They're just they're just better made for payouts and stuff like that. Like 250K was a little scuffed at times. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But now I trade mostly with life capital, to be honest. It's very rare that I buy. I only buy funded account. There's periods during the year that are known for bad action, and like the most known ones are December and summer, right? And honestly, March this year has been horrible. But December and summer are known to be bad action usually, and so in the summer or in December, usually what I'll do is I'll buy a funded account like 2 weeks before, pass it, and then that's what I'm gonna trade the whole summer. It's usually what happens. Or I can, I'll de-risk my live account a lot, like a lot. Like instead of trading, I don't know, instead of risking 2% per trade, I'll risk zero point 0.5 maximum. And this way, it's called capital preservation, boys. It's just as important as money as risk management while you're in the trade. Risk management in the trade is important, but if the action's bad and you know it's gonna be bad, why would you risk your whole normal risk when you can just de-risk, and if the action clears up, you can just add later on, right? Does that make sense to you guys? So should I put a thing on the screen where it says the amount that the account's at? Is that something that you guys would like, or no? It's like whatever. I do think it could be interesting, but it's a lot. It'd probably rack in a lot more viewers if I was at like, I don't know, like 2 3K from 100 than what I am now. I'm still up 60%, which is really good, right? A 60% return is insane. In comparison, the S&P takes usually 6 years to reach a 60% return, right? And I did it in 4 days. But yeah, and this is not gambling. This is all scripted out, all right here on my piece of paper. It's all right here, guys. All written down, all ready to be checked. So yeah, let me know if you guys would like that on the screen. Something like this. Then, just like this type of thing. Or I could put the percentage low key. That could be good too. Like account is up 62.95%. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work in percentages. Yep. And put this like this here. Or actually, might just put it like this. Yeah, this is perfect. I like that. Match it up. Hold on. Hold on. Hold. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, here we go. Getting that big bullish move that I wanted. Um, I don't really want to see NQ take this high. Although it's fine, it can take it. We're in the 15 and a 5. To get my changes in the state, I would need a closure below here. So let me mark this out. The 5 minutes started here. So the change in the state is at the same place. Okay. Alright. Let's see it. Oh my god. Whew. $9.47 candle. Pushed up. Just normal macro stuff, right? If you guys watching want to follow or go see it on the YouTube, I have a bunch of valuable videos there for new traders, or for even experienced traders can take something out of it. Honestly, like I said, I think I said that yesterday or 2 days ago. I'm still learning too. Like I'm definitely not learning every day, but like every time I take a trade, every time if you don't learn every time you take a trade, there's something wrong. Market is constantly adapting, and you need my broker undid itself again for some reason, and you need to and you just need to learn every time you take a trade. You need to make sure you journal it, and you need to make sure that everything's good. All right, here we go. Respected these two, which is fine. It can honestly, best case scenario would be this thing stays here, hits here probably, maybe here. Oh, sorry about that. I've been sick for the past week and I'm so fed up. Uh, 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 this is a 5 here. Do do do. Boom boom boom. Okay, rejection starting to happen. Nice, nice. Thank you, Ian, bro. I rarely take meds when I'm sick, simply because I usually just like not think about it, but I probably should. Created all this liquidity here. CISD's here, stop here. Full TP probably here at 1 to 1.8. But realistically, there's a TP here and here. I do, let's say it was to go now, right? I would like I would love to I would love for it to like not go now, is what I'm trying to say. I would love for this thing to keep going. Go here. Yes, takes the high. And then we drop. If we go now, I'm probably gonna take the trade, but I'll might de-risk myself. Especially if ES is still holding these. And ES has been in the driver's seat in the past few days. There's no real reason why we should stop here. I did kind of like these two FEGs and then them getting ran through almost instantly. Alright. 0.6 is um my normal size. Do I half size this thing? News in 5 minutes, actually. Holy hell, I almost forgot about news. We're gonna have to wait for 10 o'clock, guys. News probably just fucking takes us there, though. It's crazy how every time I want to take a trade, and the candle ends up closing like this to my CISD. Like, you guys think this is random here? There's no way, right? Yes, close one. Close the second one, please. I'm tempted to take the trade half size and say screw it. I don't want this news to I don't want this news to edge me. This is a good close right here. Alright. I'm gonna get in quarter size. This is a quarter of the size, guys. Oh. Okay. Quarter of the size. Because of news. It's a good clean candle close. Yes, and take it. I mean, $9 dub on this account is still good. I mean, it's not exactly what I was looking for, but it's still good. I definitely did not want to risk my whole spiel on that trade there. This is like probably like a B trade. It's just everything was kind of there for the trade. It's just news kind of ruined me. If there was no news, I would have entered normal size. And I know I've said that news drives price to TP, but news can also manipulate price again, like a second time. It's actually gonna edge me. Stopped out. Both stopped on a profit. Insane wick. All right, let's rethink about this. Let's reassess this bias. We're bearish. We hit this. News sent us, or macro sent us all the way here in this 15 minute. We got the change in the state. We're retesting this 1 minute here. I'm still short biased. Respected this 5 minute pretty well though. Close this bullish FVG here and I'm in. Literally. With the stop here. For a 1 to 2.4. Although this is not my model, I probably shouldn't even be taking this. I feel like it's gonna work. We're gonna take this trade on demo, as I like to call it, okay? So what that means is, let's act like we're in this trade. Let's backtest it. Let's see if it would have worked. I do not want to risk capital on this because I'm not confident in this model. I want to see if it would have worked, right? Instantly happy I didn't put money on this. Jeez Louise. Stop is above the 1 minute FEG and the candle that went in it. TPs are still the same. We are doing nothing. We are doing absolutely nothing. So the account is currently up. We might as well change it, right? Maybe if I open, wait, let me try something here. I could show the account balance for my face here, and I open this. All right, I think it's hidden. So there you go. Oh, you still can't even see it. Hold on. There you go. And as I'm doing this, I just saw we hit TP. What the fuck? So the trade would have worked. Why did it decide to go? What did it? All right. So there you go. And I'll stop BE. And let's see if it gets stopped out. Or if it goes to our other TPs. If it respects this one, I might add to go here. With the stop right above the one. Like this. Because the momentum is there. Could even go like this. But this is not like a very good trade. Yes, took all the lows. We're not doing this. Alright. That's all I guess for today. we're taking. That we go back up here. I think we just crash. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna call it here, boys. I mean, I do think NQ can go take this, but I'm not willing to put capital on it, and I'm gonna give you guys a little gem as to why is because we are currently in the premium. We want to be shorting in the discount of the range. If I start taking these bad habits, they're hard to kick. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here. GG's. Small win today. Small win. Very small. Very, very small. But a win's a win nonetheless. Let me just recap why I wanted to take the trade and why I ended up taking it the way I took it. So you go on the 15-minute, right? And you can see that we just hit EQ of the range and OTE on ES and EQ on NQ, right? And we have our liquidity down here, here, and here, and something for ES, right? Versus the liquidity up here is on this candle here and this candle here. This high was not taken during London. This high was taken during London, giving us an SMT. After the SMT is taken, big FVG showing displacement to the downside, showing we want to go lower. Candle pushes up into the FVG, drop down to the 1 minute, identify where our CISD would be. It'd be right after this big displacement up. If we undo this displacement up, it means we're bearish. It undoes it right here, right? Entered right on the retest of the CISD, ended up pushing up a little bit on the news, and then news came in, did a bunch of news things, filled up the gap here, and then crashed all the way to TP. Right, because it was news, I did put my stop a little bit in profit, and I got stopped out, but the trade still worked out fine, and I would not have done that if there was no news, by the way. So the trade looked something like this. Technically, it's ongoing, and then after we had this move here, the stop was like this, and then once we got to like here, I put my stop like this. Right. So yeah, this is it for the trade of today. GG's everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow. Go see the TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, the Discord server, all that good stuff. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, peace.